everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel and today I am going to unbox my bling bag box for the month of January. So let's just open and see what jewelry pieces I got this time. Alright, so this is the usual box, pink colored box. So I'm just gonna open it and see what jewelry pieces I got this time. First of all, I see an info card and this is the January Good Vibes Bling Bag. So I also have like a 100 rupees coupon code for the February bag. If you are interested, I will be leaving that coupon code in the description box. So let's just check out the jewelry. I'm very excited about it. Alright, here I have the jewelry and I also got a bag. And let me show you the bag first. So this is how the bag looks like. You can use it as a pouch, as well, and you can just attach the string as well to make it a sling bag. So that's really nice. This is like a jute material. Yeah, it's a nice jute material. It has a floral print in the front and it's plain red from the back. Also have a zipper at the back. That's the bag basically. I really like the concept that you can use this pouch as a pouch itself, or you can just attach the string to make it like a sling bag. So that's really nice. Now just let's move on to the jewelry. So I can see total of 4 pieces. So let's just check out one by one. So the very first piece I see is a pair of earrings. These are black and gold pair of earrings and this is how they look like, and these earrings retails for about 599 rupees. So yeah, let's check out another jewelry piece. Okay, so this is like a neck piece and this is how it looks like. It's silver and blue in color. It has like blue stones all over. It's a very pretty elegant and dainty piece, and this is how it looks like. It's actually looking good over the sweater as well. If you are wearing high neck or turtleneck, it will look good over the sweater as well. But yeah, you can definitely wear it with a normal round neck or v-neck. Yes, it's very pretty. And this necklace retails for about 799 Indian rupees. Now let's just check out more of the jewelry piece. Oh my god, so these are earrings and they are super pretty. These are black and blue earrings and they're so pretty. Look how pretty they are. This is how they are looking on me and they are looking so pretty. They are very pretty and unique earrings. Alright, I'm just left with one last jewelry piece. So let's just open. Oh, I just forgot to tell you about the price of these earrings. These one retails for about 899 Indian rupees. Ooh, this is such a pretty, it's a neck piece and this is such a pretty neck piece. It's golden color and it says dream with an arrow. And yeah, it's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. And this is something that you can wear like daily. Like you can just wear this to college, to work. You can just wear it every time. It's not bulky at all and it looks like a normal gold chain with some initials going on. So it's really pretty. So, and this one retails for about 799 Indian rupees. So in this times bling bag, I got 2 neck pieces and 2 earrings, and one of my favorite is definitely this one. Yeah, this small little chain which says dream. So yeah, so that's it about the unboxing of January 2019 bling bag, and I will be mentioning all the details about the bling bag in the description box, so you can just check it out, and if you like it then just subscribe it for yourself. If you are new to this bling bag thing, then I must tell you that they have like a questionnaire form or like questionnaire before you subscribe the box, and you have to fill it and they will send the jewelry according to your taste, according to your personality. So that's really cool thing and unique thing about this subscription box. So I'm ending this video here only, and I will see you guys in my next video, and till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy, and bye bye.